Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. And after that, tap on your profile icon. So the name you see on top, that's your name. And then the thing you see over here in the middle, that's your username. That's what we're going to change, so to do that just press Edit Profile. And you can see the name is over here, so if I click on this, I could change my name anytime. And also you can change your username from here. But you can only do this once every 30 days, so make sure you choose the name that you want. So if you don't want to lose this name, don't change this name, but if you're okay with it, go ahead and type in a new name here, and then when you're happy, go ahead and press Save. And then simply click on Set Username. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.